Today we are going to do Mysore Pak. I am taking I have taken 2 glasses of besan, gram flour, and I have sieved it. So I am taking 2 glasses of sugar to make sugar syrup. And for this I am adding half glass of water. I'll cook the sugar until it gets one thin consistency. And I have made freshly ghee, just adding little bit in the gram flour, and I'll mix it, and then again I'll sieve it so that there will be no lumps. Just mix it properly and sieve it back again so that there will be no lumps when you are cooking. Sieve well without any lumps. Okay. Keep checking on the sugar syrup as well. I see now it's boiling. Maybe now you can test whether one string sugar syrup is there. It has to get cooked more. Now you can see the sugar is boiling and one strand is formed. Now is the time to put the sieved besan little by little and keep stirring so that there will be no lumps. Add the gram flour and keep stirring it continuously. Make sure there is no lumps. On the other side of the gas stove, I am making ghee hot because we need to put hot ghee in this. Approximately for 2 glass of gram flour, we are using 2 glass of sugar and ghee as it absorbs. Mostly it will take 2 glass of ghee, or sometimes it will absorb less also. You can see on the other side of the gas stove, ghee is there and it is on flame. Keep stirring properly so that there is no lumps. Once you have mixed it properly, you can add the ghee. You can completely use ghee, or if you prefer of oil and of ghee mixed, you can use it. Now is the time to add ghee, spoon by spoon. Once you add, again stir well. So you have to repeat this process until you see there is a change in color of the Mysore Pak, or once it stops absorbing. Now you can see it is absorbing the ghee. Keep adding the ghee and mixing it properly without any lumps. As of now, I might have added some 10 to 12 spoons. It is a slow process, but you need to minutely concentrate. Like once the color changes, you need to remove it. Maybe 2 or 3 spoons more. It should be done. Now you can see pores formed all over the Mysore pak. It is slightly changing the color as well. And absorption of ghee is less. Now you can see the Mysore pak is leaving out ghee on the sides. So now is the time to remove from the gas stove, and you can put it on a plate. Just before putting on the plate, please grease the plate with ghee as well. Now we can put it on the plate.